Hello viewers, today I am going to share with you simple and quick method of cleaning mandeli fish. It's a sea fish. The bone of mandeli fish is very soft, so we can easily clean and cut it with a scissor. Before cleaning, I have rinsed the mandeli fish under tap water. Wash them 2 to 3 times. Mostly when we buy small fish like mandeli or any other small fish seller doesn't clean and cut the fish, so we have to clean it and cut it at home. So today I am going to share with you easy method. Take a scissor, sharp scissor, and trim the tail of fish like this. Next we have to clean the intestine of fish. So before cleaning, see, I will cut it like a V shape like this. When we'll cut it like a V shape, we the all the gut of the fish will remove and no need to scrape it out. See, the intestine fish cavity is almost clean, but still we have to rinse it under tap water to clean properly. If there is fin, then we have to remove the fin also. Trim the fin like this from both sides like this. The cooking time of mandeli fish is mostly 7 to 8 minutes. I have told that it is soft fish, so within 7 minutes you can prepare a delicious mandeli fish dish. I like it. See the intestinal cavity. If there is any black film, then you have to press it and remove it. Friends, if you want the recipe of mandeli fish, then please comment. I will share next time. I will share the mandeli fish recipe. See, cut it like V shape, and see, here are the black films, so we have to press it with our thumb and we have to remove it. You can use a spoon also, but I will remove it by my thumb and thumb finger. See, within 2 to 3 minutes I have cleaned this fish. Friends, if you think this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.